Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some Uyo-based professionals have called on ordinary citizens in Akwa Ibom State to throw their full weight behind Governor Umo in his avowed commitment to their welfare. The call follows a recent revelation by the governor that he was under intense pressure to share the Commonwealth of Akwa Ibom State among the political class at the expense of largely backward communities in the state.
Governor Umo of Akwa Ibom State recently jolted the political class at a media briefing in Uyo, where he disclosed that he was under intense pressure from politicians to disburse state funds. The visibly worried governor had maintained that under his administration, the Commonwealth of Akwa Ibom State would be appropriated to benefit the ordinary citizens and not to satisfy the inordinate appetites of politicians.
I believe that if I put money and development in the hands of the people, they will decide, not a few people. So my job really is to ensure that the 7.9 million people are happy. In the past, we've seen in this state where you concentrate money in the hand of one person. Towards election, they disappoint you. I've seen it before.
After considering the current harsh economic situation in the country, Governor Eno said he was determined to spend scarce state resources to develop rural communities rather than lavish them on politicians.
The idea is not because I don't want to sign money. The idea is that the money is not even there. Even if the money is there, I want to put it back to the rural areas. That's the truth. For every 500 million naira I save, will give me a school, will give me a hospital.
Reacting to the recent disclosure made by the governor, an Uyo-based journalist, Ashamari Indogesit, commended the governor for summoning courage to resist the political class that is responsible for the crisis of governance bedeviling state governments in Nigeria.
There are times we have persons who come into public offices very gullible. You know, they come in and then people will begin to surround them. This is what used to happen, this is what was obtainable, you need to take care of this sector, you need to take care of this sector. And when you look at it, it does not really give you room to implement your blueprint just because you want another term. But for the governor to have come public with that, confirmed to us that he is under pressure to do what others did in the past, but he's not ready to yield to it.
With his recent declaration, there are fears that the governor may have drawn the battle line with powerful political forces who would most likely frustrate his efforts if he decides to seek a second term in office. However, an Uyo-based public affairs analyst, Emeka Samuel, maintains that an impactful single term would be more rewarding for Akwa Ibomites than 2 terms of lackluster performance in office.
Even if it means you staying for just 2 years, provided you render the service the people need, that is better than staying there for millions of years and you are not getting things done for the people. So to me, that was a very selfless comment, and I just hope he means what he says, and I just hope that other politicians will also emulate him.
In any case, journalist Ashamari Indogesit is of the opinion that it is up to the people to decide whether or not the governor deserves a second term.
I think it is necessary that the electorate roll behind him, you know, stand behind him to succeed in ensuring that he is assisted to have that one quality term. If at the end of the day they are satisfied, let it be the decision of the electorate.
Governor Umo Eno, the 4th democratically elected governor of Akwa Ibom State since 1999, took his oath of office on the 29th of May 2023. His social contract with the people, the Arise agenda, intends to achieve agricultural revolution, infrastructure development, security management, and educational advancement. The governor insists that there will be no room for political distractions as he hits the ground running in his early days in office to deliver on his electoral promises at the end of the day.
Inside the Niger Delta,